Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I went to the doctor's recently and my LDL is a little high. I pretty much eat the same thing every day since the last food video I've made, but let's do some research to see if we can make some adjustments and try to get this lower with a healthier diet. Okay, I really like this channel, Talking with the Docs. They recommend less saturated fat. I think that's pretty common knowledge and well agreed upon in the medical community. I didn't know coconut oil had so much of it, so I'm going to replace it with avocado oil. If we look at same serving size, 12 grams, 60% compared to 2 grams, 10%. I think this was a health trend I got into a few years ago and it just kind of stuck around. Let's go return it. We're back from shopping. This is my average grocery bill each week, about $100. Some weeks more, some weeks less, depending on which things I'm running out. Let's head inside and make lunch. This time around, I'm gonna start measuring out everything. It will be 3 servings of that, 2 servings of this, tablespoon of this, the seasoning for the vegetables, 12 ounces of chicken, looks something like this. Let's eat and make the next one. For the fruits, I did a serving and a half, a serving and a half, 1 serving, half a serving, microwave it a little bit so it's easier to eat. Some sprinkling of chia seeds, more numbers. Let's eat, go back to work, and then make dinner. Last video, I was eating 4 eggs a day. I'm dialing it back to 2 eggs, but I want to try to get protein, so I added some tofu. It is a quinoa guac marinara bowl. I know that looks really weird, but tastes pretty good to me. Here's the calculations. Let's add everything up, and if we have room for dessert, I might do one of those. This was a little surprising. Last I did the calculations, it was 1,700, 800, which made sense because back then my primary goal was to lose weight. This one is to reduce LDL, but I wouldn't mind losing a few pounds. I'm 6 feet, 185, so getting down to 180, 175 sounds really nice. So I might still dial back on some of the serving sizes, maybe do 1 egg instead of 2 because eggs are so expensive. But if I am exercising, I'll still probably be net negative if I'm eating the 2,400. But overall, I think this is pretty healthy for 38-year-old dude, no major medical problems, a lot of fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, lean protein, complex carbs. We'll see what happens. Video 184 done.